If you feel stuck, it's not because you're lazy. It's not because you're broken. It's because you're buried. Buried under distractions. Buried under habits. Buried under versions of you that you keep feeding, even though they've already failed you. You wake up with potential, but end the day with regret. You keep telling yourself, I'll get serious tomorrow, and then you hit snooze, again. Every single day starts the same. You're not tired, you're overwhelmed. You're not lost, you're drowning in noise. You can't find clarity, because your mind is addicted to chaos. Here's the real reason you're stuck. Your mind doesn't trust you anymore. You've broken too many promises to yourself. You've said, this is the last time, 100 times, and followed through on none. You say you want growth, but you keep choosing comfort. You say you want change, but you don't remove the things keeping you the same. Success doesn't require more motivation. It requires more pain. The pain of change, the pain of truth, the pain of finally becoming someone who follows through. Your current identity? It's built on convenience. It's fragile. It falls apart the moment things get hard. You want to break the cycle? Then break the identity. Start becoming someone your own brain believes in. Here's how you do it. Step 1. Wake up when you said you would, not when you feel like it. Step 2. Do one hard thing in silence. No applause, no posting. Step 3. Eliminate one toxic habit cold. Not someday, now. Step 4. Stack one micro win every day, even if it's tiny. Because tiny grows. Discipline isn't about intensity, it's about consistency, when nobody's watching. You're not stuck because you can't move, you're stuck because you won't let go. Let go of the version of you that always quits. Let go of the excuses. Let go of the loop. This is your reset. Not tomorrow, right now. Silence the noise, reset the system, feed the hustle, fuel the fire. The loop ends when you decide it does.
Don't just watch, be a part of it.